Infigo supports the use of in-focus Pitstop profiles to be used against customer media upload items. These profiles work across several product types, including multi-part uploads and mega edit products, either using the editor or the separate upload UI. These profiles are there to help alert the end user to any potential issues that their uploaded images may have before they are processed and sent to production. These can help to ensure customers are submitting good print quality images, so job turnarounds and workflows can progress much more smoothly. Now, please do note that this is a paid module. If you do need additional information on this, please contact either customer support or your customer success manager. Okay, so to start actually implementing these, we first need to navigate to the relevant page, which we can do by typing PDF and go to PDF Profile Setup. If you can't access this page and you do have the module, then please do contact customer support and they will be able to enable it for you. You can see in my case that I've got a few example files already here. A new PDF profile can be added by clicking Add New Record at the top right-hand corner. Let's make a new one called Sample. And there's a few options available with this, which we're going to go through. So I'm going to save these reporting options here for later on. I'm just going to insert my newly created profile and then go to Edit Profile Data. These top two sections here will look at the actual in-focus Pitstop profile. So this is where you would upload it. And then the uploaded file is displayed here where you can either delete or re-download it. Now the profile file itself is generated with the Pitstop Acrobat plugin and allows the configuration of tests on the current PDF file that the user is uploading. These tests have a wide potential scope, from page counts or dimensions to color space or font information, for example. Each test can be configured to act as either a warning or an error. Warnings will inform the user but not prevent the file from being used, whilst errors will completely prevent file usage until those issues are resolved. In addition to a user manually resolving issues and then re-uploading the file, automatic fixes can be implemented in Pitstop, which will address warnings or errors. An example would be changing the size of the page or converting the color space. And Focus do have manuals available covering these capabilities, and we've put a link to those in the step-by-step guide. Now, there are a couple of types of PDF profile that we can use, and we'll see examples of these a little bit later on. So we're going to start off with a check PDF profile. So this type of profile is used if you want to run various forms of verification against an uploaded PDF file. We have fix PDF profiles. So as the name suggests, this profile will provide fixes to the files that are uploaded by the end users. And then please do note that whilst check and fix profiles can be used independently, they can also be used together. So undertaking the check functionality, then providing the user with the choice as to whether to implement any automatic fixes on problems that arise. Our last type of PDF profile is output PDF profiles. So this profile is optional. When set, we will apply the profile after the output file has been generated. The purpose of this profile is to make changes to the PDF after output generation, which is applied to the entire document, not just the PDF files that the user is uploading at the time. It should also be used when time-consuming tasks like color conversion aren't required to be shown to the user. The next options down are to do with PDF reporting templates. When creating a PDF report, which we can present to the user once they run one of their profiles, the user will be able to download that PDF report, which contains the findings of that profile that's been run. This includes the warnings, errors, and fixes, but also additional details about the file itself. When no report template is configured, we will create a standard report, which is Infigo branded. By uploading a report template file, the report can be adjusted in a number of different ways. Scrolling a bit further down, we have a section for variable sets and variable XML. So this is a bit more involved, so additional content will be available on the Infigo Academy covering this topic. This feature enables dynamic PDF pre-flight checks with customizable inputs. By utilizing variable sets in Pitstop Pro that are mapped to your product attributes in Infigo via job ticket XML, you can tailor pre-flight profiles to meet specific job requirements. This setup allows you to adjust parameters like page dimensions based on user input or product specifications. This enhances automation and streamlining your PDF pre-flight process for increased efficiency and flexibility. Okay, and the last couple of options I want to discuss here before we go through some examples is those reporting options which were available on the main profile list. If I go back to list, find my relevant profile, and then click on Edit Commands. Now, first off, looking at the reporting column, you see we have a couple of different options here. So first off, we have no, so that will obviously create no corresponding reports. The next option down is PDF. So when set, we will generate a PDF report and then present this to the user so they can download and review the results. The report generated will either be the standard report template or it can be customized via the report template settings that I showed you earlier on. The user will see a report for a successful upload, a failed upload, or when we've fixed a previously failed upload. The next option down here is PDF and XML. So this creates both the PDF report that we've just talked about, plus an additional XML report. So when this is set, an XML summary will be passed to Infigo containing all warnings, errors, and fixes. This summary is displayed to the user in the same locations as the PDF report will be downloaded from. So actually within the Infigo workflow itself. And then the last option we have here is alter input file. So when this is set, we will replace the upload file that the user has provided with the PDF profile output once profiling is finished. So that is required in case the profile does anything other than simple tests. So if we start implementing fixes, this needs to be turned on because we are going to be utilizing that fixed file. For performance reasons, this should really be disabled if it's not needed.